Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be doing something that I like and fun. I hope you guys give out all your strength and punch together with me. It will be 10 minutes with 12 sets of exercises. Let's get started. Let's start with some warm-up. Butt kick. Next is fast feet. Jab and cross is our first boxing. Remember to turn your feet when you are doing cross because boxing is about full body motion. Next is side punches. Whenever you are doing punch, make sure to give out all your full strength to work your body out. We have squat together with jab and cross for the next exercise. This time, we are working on our booty as well while doing punches. We have hook and front kick. When you want to throw a hook, bend left arm at 90-degree angle and swing as if punching someone in the jaw. Then kick your right leg out. Now we are doing another side. Use your right arm and left leg. Now on to my side step and side kick. This time we continue to work on our hip area. Let's do the other side. It's uppercut turn. Let's do a squat hold together with uppercut. Swing left and right hands up as if punching someone in the chin. Our last second workout of this set, fast jab and cross. Let's bring your heartbeat up, guys. It's our final workout. Let's combine all the punches with bob and weave, moving your body up and down and side to side. we are done! Good job everyone! I hope you guys enjoy this fun cardio box. Don't forget to stretch your body. Bye guys!